www.worldofitech.com. What type of work can I do by freelancing? Companies are becoming much more open to and interested in hiring freelancers doing many different types of work. So freelancing has become much more acceptable for a wide type of roles. Admin support jobs. Freelance administrative support jobs include virtual assistant, administrative assistant, project management, order processing, data entry, transcription, online research, design and creative jobs. Freelance design and creative jobs include brand identity and strategy, animation, presentation design, motion graphics design, audio production, video production, voice talent, physical design, graphic design, UX, UI design, art and illustration, photography, videography. Writing jobs. Freelancing writing jobs include copywriting, editing, proofreading, content writing, ghostwriting, grant writing, writing tutoring, career coaching, creative writing, technical writing, business writing, web, mobile, and software development jobs. Freelance web, mobile, and software development jobs include e-commerce website development, scripting, automation, mobile development, product management, game development, desktop software development, QA and testing, web design, mobile design, web development, other software development. Accounting and consulting jobs. Freelance accounting and consulting jobs include business analysis, instructional design, recruiting, tax preparation, accounting, bookkeeping, financial analysis, financial modeling, management consulting, HR administration, training and development, financial management, virtual CFO. Legal jobs. Freelance legal jobs include business law, corporate law, tax law, international law, securities and finance law, intellectual property law, general counsel, labor and unemployment law, regulatory law, immigration law, paralegal. Data science and analytics jobs. Freelance data science and analytics jobs include data mining, data analytics, data extraction, deep learning, machine learning, A/B testing, data engineering, data visualization, data processing, knowledge representation, experimentation and testing. Sales and marketing jobs. Freelance sales and marketing jobs include marketing strategy, social media marketing, community management, display advertising, telemarketing, lead generation, public relations, market research, email automation, marketing automation, search engine optimization, search engine marketing. Customer service jobs. Freelance customer service jobs include customer service, technical support, IT and networking jobs. Freelance IT and networking jobs include network security, information security, solutions architecture, systems engineering, system administration, systems compliance, database administration, DevOps engineering, systems architecture, network administration. Engineering and architecture jobs. Freelance engineering and architecture jobs include civil engineering, structural engineering, architecture, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, sourcing and procurement, CAD, interior design, chemical engineering, product design. Translation jobs. Freelance translation jobs include legal translation, language tutoring, language localization, technical translation, written translation, medical translation. This is about what type of work can I do by freelancing? And I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down. And also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, and if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. Feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.